Why my bad bitches
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker, name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust out, and you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Iced out name plate, and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Bitch, Maserati mommy in the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now a whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she so counterfeit. I'm the baddie and the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos. In a cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in runway, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
After I straightened the hair and pulled everything back from the hairline, I went in on my own and did some plucking just to make sure that it looked really natural and laid really flat across the front. So that's what you see me doing here now, just customizing the hairline just a little bit.
Yeah, run up on big glow, you won't, I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carbon here like Mayweather, Tula come through and blow a hoe. Got millions out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming, fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just search you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Stomp a little push the hoe is a shell toe. Slapping rap bitches and making bail hoe. Two-tone cardi, yeah, match the nails hoe. No competition, these bitches fail hoe. Curving, no curving, my shit is layers hoe.
Any leeway, this week is definitely for people with small hands. So to make this easier, I'm using very speed brushes, everything up, using my hot comb, and pull out some baby hairs on the back. And I'm using basically a small comb and a hot comb to secure everything in place and, get it all going in the direction that I need it to go. I did some bit in hair, so right now you see me working on the back.
I'm cocky bitch when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood bitches motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate it. Get them glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get them glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail hoe. Two-tone cardi, yeah, match the nails hoe. No competition, these bitches fail hoe. Curving, no curving, my shit is layers hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell hoe. Keep running circles around these snail hoe. And my shit bumping up in the jail hoe.
I got everything into that ponytail, got all my baby hairs, my bang, my edges out. I went ahead and began styling. I did a curly updo ponytail with some pin curls, messy pin curls, and I just completed that going around the ponytail in a circle, and pin curling, doing kiss curls. So I'm going down, so I'm meeting them, coming back up, you know, just doing different directions of curls and pinning them, and you'll see me do that throughout this part of the video. On my head. Fluffy, not necessarily stuck to my head. So that's like baby hairs, all around the like fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. I was trying to cover that the wig was too little, so I just left them alone, y'all. I'm not even on fake. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. On the very end, I didn't cut them short because the wig was like behind my ears. Let's see how much you can earn. Entirely too small. It's a nice wig, but it's too small. And then got the bang, and that's it, y'all. This is the
I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on the
If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and make sure you put the link in my bio and shop Nicy.
Smoke out the pound, I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer.
And also on their website. Thanks so much for watching, bye.
I don't want nobody listening. I see them hold with precision. Give us my only decision. Ain't got no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird.